guys, so here we are again, same basement, different carburetor. Okay, now what we have here, it's a LMT Walbro carburetor, and what was happening, the generator was not running smoothly. It would have to have the choke like in the middle, pretty much to run without choking or without stalling. So I took it apart again, and it looks like somebody already cleaned it, because this middle part here, which is the main jets, it's actually very nice clean. And the rest of the carburetor seems like somebody cleaned it, but not exactly very well. And the guy I got it from was actually pretty upset, because I believe he tried to clean it, but he couldn't get it run smoothly, so he just wanted to get rid of it. Well, anyway, this is a much simpler carburetor than the Nikki carburetor. I'm gonna screw this back in. The Nikki carburetor we had last time. This one is much easier to clean. Well, anyway, these jets, you just unscrew this thing here and just make sure these jets here are nice and clean, and of course the hole coming through this is supposed to be nice and clean all the way through. So if it isn't, then clean it. But that's not the case again. We're gonna go back to the air jets. As soon as I get this in, okay, let's see, I believe I'm at the end. Okay, just a little tight, and here we go. Make sure the inlet for the gas is clean, which is this one here. So clean that one with a piece of wire, with a carb cleaner, with a compressor, whatever you have, whatever you can. The bowl was pretty clean actually inside. That was not a problem. This floating thing is a little bit dirty. You can see here little pieces of dirt on the top right here. That's gonna have to get cleaned, completely clean. But I believe the problem here was the air jet again. And I think there is two of them, but I'm not exactly sure because I cannot find the other end. Where are they going? So here we go. Here is one of them. This one here. Well, if I can manage to get something in there, okay, it will be this one. Need to be clean, and that goes on the bottom of the pan here, which is actually closed in. So I have no way to get inside and check it out, but this is one of the edges here, and that needs to be clean. Let me see, just make sure I got it right here. Okay, now you can see probably pretty well where it goes. Okay, there you go. It's one of them. And that one was probably pretty dirty, because as you can see here, it's still pretty dirty. I didn't clean it, but this one here, yep, I'm gonna have to clean it completely. So that'll be one of them. But there is another one here, which is this one, and that I cannot tell exactly where it's going, but if I were you, I would clean it too. Really good. Piece of wire, and actually make it really teeny tiny wire, because this hole gets narrow at the end, towards the end it will get narrower. Okay? And that's it for this carburetor, pretty much. You know, just to make sure all these jets, including the air jets, are clean. This one here, this one here, this is a very simple carburetor. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna finish up cleaning this little hole here, then clean it with the carb cleaner and put it together, and let's see how it runs. Okay, so I got everything together last night, but since it was about 10 p.m. I didn't want to get it started, so I waited for today. And it's a brutal cold outside. It's about 9 degrees right now, but this is pretty much what it came from this generator. So I'm gonna try to get it started now and see how it's gonna run, and if I'm gonna be able to even get it started. So let's get it to the choke, turn on the gas here. Okay, I got new filter here, inline filter, and it's on. So let's give it a full choke. Let's see. Let's see how the baby works. Yep, let's see. It's pretty cold, so I hope I can get it started. Come on. This is how it's supposed to run. That's a good sound. Sometimes these little holes can give you a big problem. I mean those little air jets.